Okay, so for Word Project W-11 to create a mail merge for a vendor letter, we first have to complete project E-1. So you need to turn over to page 59, and it's Excel project E-1, creating a vendor contact list. We go to the Start menu and we open up an Excel 2013. And in our Excel, the first thing we're going to do is save the document as File, Save As. Oops. Desktop. I'm going to call this E-1 space vendor contact list. Click Save to the desktop. Alright, so it says format the width of column A to 32 and B to 22, C to 12, D and E to 6, and F to 15. So width. So A, format column width to 32. B, format column width to 22. C to 12. D and E to 6. And F to 15. Key in the data as it appears in figure E1-1 into the spreadsheet unless otherwise noted. The font should be set at an Arial 10 point. So we go to change the font. Let's select the whole document. Font to Arial. AR. There we go, Arial. And 10. And it also says to make A through F as bold. A through F1 as bold. Okay. Now we're going to start keying in our information. Vendor name, just as it appears. Hit enter, and then we start with the next. You continue with this, pause the video now, and until you finish your entire Excel document. So now we just need to click Save. It's on our desktop. Go ahead and X out of this and go back to W-11 instructions. Okay, now we're going to go to open up our W-2 letterhead. Double click. And to avoid overwriting, we're going to save it as W-11 vendor letter template. So File, Save As, Desktop, change it to W-11 vendor letter template. And then save. Okay, so we should be on page 54. Choose any easy to read font. We're going to leave it as is within the 10 to 12 point range. And using the mail merge feature, we're going to set up a main document indicating letters as the document type. So we go to Mailings, Start Mail Merge, Letters. Using the mail merge feature, select File, Vendor Contact List. We're going to go to our desktop, find our Excel document that we saved, Vendor Contact List. Click OK. And then at approximately 2.5 inches down from the top, we're going to key in the date left aligned. Two spaces, and then we're going to insert a merge field. And we want to insert the vendor name first. Then hit enter, insert, close. Let's backspace that out of there. Now we hit enter, insert the street, then hit enter, insert a city, comma, space, insert state, space, space, insert zip. Close this and pause. Okay, we're going to hit enter twice now and type in to whom it may concern. And we're going to key in our letter, and every time that it has the chevrons on the side, you're going to hit insert mail merge field and the one that it's requiring. So go ahead and key in your letter now by pausing the recording and then press play. Okay, now that you've typed in all of your text, you're going to finish and merge. All, and click OK. So what this does is it has filled in all of the address, names, and every individual. As you can see, you'll have every vendor's letter typed up for you. You're going to click File, Save As, Computer, Desktop, and you want to do W-11 Complete. And click Save.